Hey guys, good morning. It's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? I'm starting off my morning with a big old glass of water. Today we are doing another what I eat in a day because it's been solid 3 months since I made a what I eat in a day. And you know what? It is finally time to show you guys what I eat in a day when I'm living by myself or when I'm just alone or when I feel like eating whatever the freak that I want. Today is a special day because Matt is actually out of town. Matt eats pretty healthy, and for dinner we typically eat something super healthy. Today we're gonna be eating things that someone my age probably should not be eating, and later today I'm actually gonna be seeing Lauren and Remy and Mia. We're gonna hang out, and normally when we hang out we have like a bunch of snacks with us. So this is what we're eating today. Let's eat. Alright, we are starting off the day with one of my favorite things ever to start off with is vitamins. I am a vitamin girl. You guys already know this. I got sponsored by a vitamin company and it was like the happiest day of my life, which was Ritual. I still take them. I take Essential. Sir, you don't need to do that. Super unnecessary. I take Ritual Essential Vitamins. I take vitamin D because I don't go outside that often. Also skin cancer. I take apple cider vinegar gummies, and I also take Ashwagandha Gummies. If you guys know what this is, you freaking know what these are. These are like such amazing gummies or like vitamins to have. Ashwagandha does so much for your body. I have 2 of these babies and I like to really savor my gummies. This is like my daily candy. Honestly, probably why I like to eat vitamins so much is that I can start my day off with candy without feeling like I'm being judged for having candy for breakfast. For me, having gummies or having candy in the morning is like my little energy boost. People need their caffeine in the morning, their coffees, their whatevers. I just need a little bit of candy in me and I can sustain myself for like the next hour or 2. Fun fact, right before I start any like video or vlog, I have like a little piece of candy so that I'm a little hyped up. But let's start off with my 2 vitamins. I like to savor these. My little vitamin salad. Oh my god, I'm crazy, I know. Goli, the brand, comes out with amazing gummy vitamins. Stupidly expensive though, but so worth it. I'm gonna eat the rest of these gummies and then I'll update you guys when it's actually time for lunch. Oh my god, guys, the weirdest thing just happened to me. I'm so freaking confused. I just randomly got food sent to my house and I didn't order it, and it's like one of my favorite spots to get food from, and I'm so confused. What's happening? Did someone know that I was gonna film a what I eat in a day, and they were like, Tiffany probably wants to eat some sushi, which I always want to eat. We need to figure out who this is from, and I'm not gonna eat it until I do. Oh my god. Excuse. Oh my god, excuse me. Katsuya is like a really popular spot in LA, and they have like a second sister brand called Crispy Rice that's pretty freaking good. Oh my god, yum. That looks beautiful. Oh, that is, oh, we're eating that. I mean, I trust it because it came straight from like the delivery driver. I didn't say anything, I just took it from him because he was like, are you Tiffany? So clearly he had the right address, but like, I'm gonna figure out where this was from before I eat it. Okay guys, we figured it out. This is actually from Glamnetic. They didn't send a box of Glamnetic stuff, but they did send crispy rice. So thank you guys so much. I was literally gonna have oatmeal, which is honestly one of my favorite things to eat ever for lunchtime, but like, this is like so much better. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Guys, I think it was meant to be. I think I was meant to film this video today. I'm so excited. I'm gonna grab some sesame seeds because I don't have any. Just gonna shake that literally on everything, dipping that in some soy sauce. All right, cheers guys. Yum. It's definitely not as good as sugarfish, but it's hitting all the right spots. So good. I'm gonna try the crispy rice with spicy tuna. I love crispy rice with spicy tuna. Ten out of 10. Oh my god, yum. It's missing a little bit of eel sauce, but I can live without eel sauce. Just melts in your mouth. The fresh tuna with a little bit of jalapenos, the crispy rice with wasabi and rice. Oh my god, I could eat this literally all day. So I'm gonna eat the rest of my lunch and I'll update you guys when it's time for a little snack. Look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid? Never thought that Hi guys, a little update here. It is currently 5 p.m. I'm kind of craving something sweet, so gotta take out my Invisalign. I'm actually gonna make myself boba. So I've made myself boba once before and I'm gonna try it again. The last time I made it, it was good, but not as good as like boba guys. I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to make it really, really good today. First off, we need a pan, fill it with water. All right, I don't need a lot of water, so just boiling that, and I'm gonna add a tiny bit of salt so it boils a little bit faster, and put a cover on top. So I'm grabbing boba. This is the Woohoo Yan boba from Amazon, and I'll link it down below for you guys because it is freaking good. All right, so I'm also gonna need some green tea, passion tea, simple syrup, honey, and then last but not least, this guy. Oh my god, this took me the last 10 minutes to find, but my water is now boiling, so perfect timing. All right, water is boiling. Honestly, I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing, but hopefully in like a year and a half, I'll be making perfect boba so I don't have to spend $15 every single time I want to eat boba. Honestly guys, you guys need to smell these. It smells like pure sugar and yumminess. It smells so good. So I'm only doing about 1/3 of a cup, which is about a full serving. Normally I would do like double boba if I could, but because I'm not good at making boba yet, I don't want to use too many. Just pouring that guy in. And then it says to just stir it until it, I believe, rises to the top, and then you cover it for 2 minutes. Last time I cooked them for too long, so I didn't like it. So now this time I have to like watch it. Honestly, they look like caviar, kind of scary, like little fish eggs, but oh my god, I cannot believe I get to make boba at home. Give me a year, I'll become an expert at making these guys. Okay, while I make my boba to cook, I have a mug of hot water. I'm putting 1 green tea, 1 passion fruit tea. We're gonna see how this goes. I like my tea pretty strong, so that's why I'm doing 2 of these guys. Also, they're 2 different flavors and they both smell really good, and I want to try both of them. I might regret this later. All right, boba is almost done. It's like 40 seconds to go. I'm gonna put this on the side. I have my ice. I have a glass of cold water so it stops cooking. I think they're ready. That's kind of how I like them. Dunking them in cold water. Oh my god, I have boba, look. Look at that, how beautiful. Right now, I'm gonna let them soak in a mixture of simple syrup. They're gonna soak for at least like 10 minutes. I'm just gonna eyeball this, and I'm gonna add a little bit of honey as well and see how this turns out. We're gonna let these soak for a little bit. So I stuck some tea in the freezer so that it would cool down. I'm gonna add some of this peach puree. I got this off Amazon. I'll link it down below. I've never tried it before. I'm so excited to try it. Oh, that smells delicious. That literally smells like peaches, which makes sense. I'm gonna add a bunch of that inside. Don't really know how much. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of cold water. I'm gonna be so sad if this does not taste good. Then I'm gonna grab some ice. Now the hard part is pouring this in there. I'm scared. Okay. Let's try it. Really sour, but I'm gonna add a little bit more peach in there so it's not as sour. Let's see if that helps. More peach for sure. Oh my god, that peach syrup is so good. Oh, bitch, what? Guys, I'm so excited. That is so freaking good. Holy cow. I'm opening up a boba store. I'm learning how to make boba. Sorry that my freaking bra keeps showing. I'm shocked. The boba, perfectly cooked. It has like the perfect texture. So what I did, just so that I can remember, was I started the timer like 10 seconds after I threw the boba inside. I saw all the boba was rising to the top. Then I covered it, and then once the timer was done, I took off the heat and kept it covered another 2 minutes, and then right away I stuck it in cold water. This is just so I can remember how I made it last time. You guys can make it however you want. I got my Chamberlain coffee mug, got my boba I made myself. I'm happy. I'm so happy. 10 out of 10. I would do this again. I wanted to do dinner at my house. I might do it at Mia's house. I haven't decided yet. I did tell them that I was filming this video, so I might be a little late. I don't think I'm gonna be hungry in like an hour and a half, so I might be really late or just eat at Mia's spot. I will be planted on the couch watching a little bit of TV while drinking and sipping my boba. I cannot believe how good that is. I'm like shocked. I'm gonna sit in front of my TV and watch a little bit of Queen of the South, which is like my new favorite show right now. It's on Netflix, and it's literally about drugs and like drug lords in Mexico and the cartels and stuff, and it's just really fun to watch. I know I'm supposed to eat dinner at like a reasonable time today, but I just don't want to eat dinner. I just want to snack, and I'm still drinking my boba. Drank a little bit of it, and then I filled it back up with a tea because I had leftover tea. And right now in the fridge, I am making tea so that tomorrow, if I want to do this again, I can have some. I honestly thought this was gonna take like a few weeks for me to figure out how to perfectly make my boba, and I'm pretty sure I like this more than the strawberry tea fresca at Boba Guys now, and that's saying a shit ton. So while I sit in front of the TV, I'm also gonna snack on some cheese Ritz Bits crackers. I freaking love these. Like, I don't know what's about these. These are made out of crack. They just are so nostalgic to me, remind me of my childhood. So you better believe I'm gonna be eating these. I'm like so excited about these. They're so good. If you have not had these since you were like 10 years old, go out and get them. You will not be disappointed. They're so freaking good. So I know I'm not supposed to be eating this. I'm supposed to have like a typical dinner, but I might just have like a really late dinner and just Postmate food to Mia's house or bring food to Mia's house. I'd rather have snacks right now. I don't want to eat real food yet. Yeah, so that's my internal struggle every single day is Matt will want to eat dinner at like 6 p.m. but I would just rather snack and then eat at like 9 p.m. My schedule's all whack.
Now there's all the space, nothing can replace. Letting go of you was my one mistake.
Alright guys, it is 7 p.m. I need to head out to go to Mia's house, and look how much boba I finished. I want to make this again later tonight, but I'm not going to. But I decided for dinner today we're gonna have Chick-fil-A. Definitely something Matt would not super be down for, so I'm actually really excited to get it. So guys, I'm currently at Chick-fil-A. I was gonna do drive-through because I specifically found a Chick-fil-A that had a drive-through, except the line is crazy long. I also missed the line, so we're going inside instead. We got Chick-fil-A.
May I have your name?
Tiffany?
Alright, then your total is 903.
Alright, so I got Chick-fil-A and I got Sprite. I also got water just in case I needed water. And I got a spicy chicken sandwich and some french fries, of course. I'm probably gonna eat a lot of this while I'm driving in the car, I'm not gonna lie. Just so that I don't have to eat it while I'm at Mia's spot. I'm so excited for this. Let me know what's your guys' favorite Chick-fil-A sauce. Mine is buffalo and ranch. And then I love mixing the ketchup with the ranch for the fries. The security guards are definitely staring at me. They're like, what is this girl doing in her car eating a Chick-fil-A while talking to a freaking camera? Please let me know if you guys like dunking ketchup with ranch. I feel like I'm gonna spill all of this. This is not it. Chicken, oh my god, look at that bun. Look at that bun. Ah! All right, we're gonna dump this in the buffalo, ketchup, and ranch. All right, first bite, guys. Oh my god. That is so good. Holy cow. This is heaven. I've not had Chick-fil-A in such a long time. This is literally hitting all the spots that I wanted. This is definitely not the car to like eat inside of. It's like beige and there's not a lot of room. I'm excited to see Lauren, Remy, and Mia. We're just gonna hang out. Mia is about to move and kind of like our last time hanging out at her spot, so I'm excited to see it one last time, even though I just saw her 3 days ago. I don't like eating and driving, so I really don't want to stop eating it, but I do want to see my friends at the same time, so I'm having like a little bit dilemma. I'm actually gonna eat the rest of this when I get to Mia's house, so I'll update you guys when I'm at Mia's. All right, we got the Chick-fil-A. We're at Mia's house. Hello, welcome.
Hello.
To the last hang at Mia's.
Oh my god, yeah!
This is so sad. Look how beautiful this house is. Hi, Ken. I am sharing the fries like a good neighbor.
What I ate in a day? One of Top's fries.
Two of Top's fries.
Two of Top's fries. What's her verdict? I hate it. I hate the butt. It's so gross. It's like mealy.
Some ketchup for you guys.
I'm a plain bitch.
I like a plain
ketchup. Yeah.
Mia, do you want some fries?
Oh my god!
I did not realize you're holding a
I
cat.
stood outside for a few minutes so my Claritin would kick in.
What's that?
He needs paws. His thumbs.
Okay, I'll let you go. Sorry. What else have we eaten today?
Crispy rice.
Ooh.
Then I made myself DIY boba. So fucking good.
Oh my god.
You made the balls too?
No, I just bought the balls.
Okay, got it.
But the way I made them was like better than anywhere else I've gotten them.
Really? Fresh balls.
Strong words for a boba girl.
Yeah. I was like, fuck, never going back.
She bought like pops and stuff too.
Like a soda pop?
Yeah. That was a bone.
I don't even like popsicles.
I ate a chicken bone.
I just ate a chicken bone.
Reflection. Does it matter what you say? 'Cause now that I don't have it, I only miss it every day.
S'mores time. So we Postmated some s'more supplies. Yes, I would love a s'mores. Is it already made or you just microwave?
Grab a stick, but don't poke it all the way because then the stick will catch on fire.
Okay.
And then burn all the way through, and then your marshmallow will fall on the ground.
Okay, good to know.
Matter what you say.
Look at that beautiful s'more. Okay, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Stick that on top. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Yum. Beautiful. First bite. So good. 10 out of 10. Hey guys, good morning. I'm wearing the same shirt I'm wearing yesterday. I'm literally wearing pajamas right now, let's be real. But guess who's here? Tammy's here.
I'm here in LA.
Tammy's here. Yeah, the last night I had mangoes with tahini. Oh my god, it's like one of my favorite snacks ever is like fruit with tahini. And then I also had a s'mores. And this morning I woke up and I've had Sour Punch strawberries for breakfast today. They're so good. Oh my god, especially the bigger size ones. I like these types of pieces. But yeah, that is it with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I eat in a day when I'm just eating whatever the fuck I want to eat. I'm drooling right now. Let me know down below what's your favorite meal to have. I love you guys. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.